Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Dominican Republic delights. This is the country where Christopher Columbus landed during his trip, which ultimately led to the discovery of America. The Dominican Republic is a Caribbean country famous mainly for its beaches and resorts. It was the first country conquered by Spaniards in the American continent. Being a country located on an island, seafood is readily available there. Besides that, the traditional food has been influenced by the Spanish, African, and even Taino people. Many of the dishes in this country include starchy foods such as yuca, cassava, rice, potatoes, etc. But there are many more delicious dishes available. Let's look at what those are. The first one is carne guisada. This is a beef stew, and this dish is available in all Caribbean countries and is famous in Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. This unique dish is seasoned with cumin, jalapenos, and chili powder. Pretty hot, right? Nonetheless, it is a great dish, especially when accompanied by tortillas and rice. For breaking the hard meat, the stew is slow cooked on low flame for more time, which gives the tender finishing to the dish. The second dish that we have here is la bandera. This is probably the best dish available in Dominican cuisine. It literally translates into the flag and hence is the staple and the most widely available dish of all. It is made up of beans, rice, and meat. The rice is cooked till it's tender and a bit golden. The beans are cooked using tomato sauce, herbs, onions, and other spices. Chicken is commonly used as meat and can be roasted or stewed. After everything is on the plate, side dishes are a must. Plantains and fritters are the best among them. The third dish that we have here in the list is chivo guisado. It is known as the Dominican goat stew. It is prepared with goat meat, onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Usually orange is also added to give the dish a citrus taste. An interesting reason behind the flavor of this dish is that the goats are fed wild oregano. Yes, and that is why it tastes so good. Plus, peppers are also added to give a more delectable taste. The fourth dish that we have is yaroa, a dish invented in the Santiago province of the Dominican Republic. This amazing layered dish is made with chicken, cheese, fries, sweet plantains, mayonnaise, ketchup, and many more such lip-smacking ingredients. If you are a midnight snacker, you have to try it out. Go to a club in the evening and after that, while roaming in the streets of Santiago, eat this delicious snack and get lost in its taste. The fifth dish is mango. Mango is a popular Dominican traditional dish made of boiled and smashed plantains mainly, and other ingredients like eggs, salami, and cheese are also added as the side dishes. On the top, onions dipped in vinegar are thrown to give a sour taste. This dish is popularly known as Los Tres Golpes, which translates to the three hits. It is called so because of the three main side dishes: Los Tres Golpes, mango with eggs, cheese, and salami will definitely bring water in your mouth. The sixth dish in our list is chimichurri burger. You would think that burgers are found in every part of the world, so why include in this list? Well, chimichurri burger is a traditional dish of the Dominican Republic. They are known for their ultimate taste and flavor due to a variety of species and sauces. The patty is made of grilled pork or beef. It is made in a burger bun and topped with cabbage and other normal vegetables. Every vendor has its own spices, but the most common are oregano, garlic, parsley, and chili flakes. The seventh dish in our list is Niños envueltos. This dish is made up of rice and beans wrapped around in cabbage and prepared in tomato sauce. Other spices that are added include bell peppers, onions, oregano, basil, garlic, and sugar, and salt for taste. The rolls are cooked until the cabbage becomes tender and soft. The final dish includes these rolls along with bread and salad, and I think that pretty much makes for a good lunch. The eighth dish in our list is the spiritos. They are simple Dominican desserts known as meringue kisses. They are made of whipped egg whites and sugar, plus an acidic ingredient like lime. They are popular on special occasions like birthdays and other kid parties. Apart from the traditional making, you can also find chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and coffee variants with various and easy recipes available. You can also try making it at home. The ninth dish in our list is majarete. Corn is one of the staple foods of the Dominican Republic, so they made a dessert out of it as well. This is a corn pudding made with condensed and coconut milk as sweeteners. Eggs are used to hold up the dish and give a good taste to it, but some bakers use gelatin. The pudding is lightly baked and served cold with a garnish of cinnamon. The tenth and the last dish in our list is pudding de pan. If you look up to its translation, it is bread pudding. Though it may seem simple, the flavors are what make it a great dish. In the Dominican Republic, it is made by soaking old bread in eggs and milk. Rum is also added to make it more adventurous. The dish is served cold, contrary to the American style, which is served warm. The topping is a syrup made of plums and sugar. That combined with raisins sure gives a treat to anyone. So yes, these are the best traditional foods of the Dominican Republic. Many meals are eaten alongside beer or wine as a refreshment drink. The country perfectly fits in the phrase, come for the scenic beauty and stay for the food. Thank you.